Hi, it's Stuart Carter from Howard's Hyundai in Dorchester. I'm just about to show you a short video on this Hyundai Kona. This particular one is a 1 litre 120 PS TGDI Premium 5-door with the 6-speed manual gearbox. This particular car is in Lagoon Blue Metallic with the grey cloth interior. Now the car has got rear park sensors, rear camera, satellite navigation, climatic control, air conditioning, alloy wheels, front fog lamps, just to name just a few things on this car. Now it was pre-registered to us as Howard's Hyundai. We are the first and only keepers currently on the registration document, and the car has only done 10 miles so far. Now we're on London Road in Dorchester. If you'd like to come and have a look at this car or take a test drive, or give one of the team a call on 01305 266 066. Hope you